Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif with another episode of Twin Cooking. I just got this new deep fryer, Hamilton Beach deep fryer. So I'm just doing an unwrapping for it. I wanted to share this with every one of you, especially the fryer lovers. So just so you can have a feedback if you're thinking of getting one. I do like the Hamilton Beach products quite a bit. So let's unwrap it together. So just like all great devices, we have the instructional manual right here. I'll put that on the side for now. I guess they packed it very well, so it's getting a little bit of challenge to open it up. But inshallah, we'll have it out in no time. And now finally, we have the product in the box. So now this looks so big enough, it has enough space to, you can cook quite a bit. And then if you're cooking fried chicken, you can easily fit at least 5 to 6 pieces in one time. And then obviously it's great for other fried items such as onion rings, fries. And the best part is that it's easier to cook with these Hamilton Beach machines. They're always known for making good products. So let's just fix that up. So as you guys can see, there's a little bit of a lock area here to lock this up. I really like the way that they packed it very well, so you know that the product remained safe for the time that you purchased it. So here we have all the products together. So I will just assemble it for you. So when you guys purchase your own, it's easy. So this part goes inside here. It will also be useful when you want to get rid of the oil that you used to cook. You can take this out separately. And then got this part right here. As you can see, it fits in right here perfectly. And then the wire, one part goes here, and then that's the switch. And then finally, we have your basket right here. So when you're cooking, you just put it inside, and then to stop it, you can just put it in here. And finally, you have your cover, like so. And here we go. So here is the final product, your Hamilton Beach deep fryer. Inshallah, in one of the coming episodes, we will do some frying in this to give you better feedbacks. Right here are all the temperature settings. When the oil is ready, the green light will come on, and that is when you will know that you are ready to cook. Please try it out. Leave a comment below in our video if you have purchased a similar product, and let us know what your experience was like. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.